Hello everyone, today we're gonna learn how to divide the circle into 16 equal parts. Let's start with our circle. I'm using a 5 centimeters radius here, but you can use any radius you like. And then I'm gonna draw a horizontal line. You can eyeball it, you can measure the distance, whatever you prefer. And then using the same initial radius, I'm gonna draw two semicircles, one on the right and one on the left. Now I'm gonna point my compass on those new intersections and make a mark, two marks on top and two below. Those marks intersect, which is great because we need those intersection. We're gonna line the ruler to those intersection and also make sure to pass through the center. This is crucial. Once everything is aligned, then you can draw your vertical line. Now that we have our four-fold division, let's see how to make the eightfold one. So using the initial radius, let's draw another pair of semicircles, one on top and one below. These these four semicircles, they intersect. So now let's align our ruler to two opposite points and also make sure to pass through the center and draw the diagonal. Let's draw the other one now. Again, make sure to pass through the center. Now that our circle is divided into 8 equal parts, let's see how to draw the 16 fold division. So first thing first, let's align the ruler to these two intersections. And to be honest, I only need two marks on the semicircles as I'm showing here, but you can draw a line or a dashed line, whatever you prefer. I'm showing you both ways. So now that I have all my points marked on the semicircle, I'm just gonna align the ruler to two opposite points and also make sure to pass through the center. And this is my 16-fold division. Let's do the other lines. As you can see, I'm not drawing the line in the center as well. This is just pure aesthetics because if you pass through the center with your pencil too many times, the hole is gonna get bigger, messier. So just prefer to stop my line a couple of millimeters before the center point. That's it. Your 16-fold division is ready. Make sure to subscribe for more content like this. Bye.